No, I just want to say thank you so much, Amit, and your Jupiter Consultancy. Is that right? Yeah. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. It's been fantastic to know what work are you are doing. And the only thing I want to say is, Hushamdeed. Come and join us in our Latrobe Masters of Digital Health and explore the new future that's coming ahead.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं अमित कौशल, जुपिटर स्टडी अब्रॉड कंसल्टेंट चंडीगढ़ से। आज की जो वीडियो है बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है। मेरी ये वीडियो स्टूडेंट्स तो देखें ही देखें, उनके पेरेंट्स भी ज़रूर देखें, वेल विशर्स भी ज़रूर देखें, और जिन्होंने आने वाले टाइम में भी इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन में जाने की सोच रहे हैं वो ज़रूर देखें, बिकॉज इट विल गिव यू एन आइडिया कि किस तरह से ऑस्ट्रेलिया में यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन को किस तरह से तवज्जो देती हैं, किस तरह से it plays an important role in not only cultivating the educational qualifications and inculcating the educational qualifications in the student, but it also develops a personality of the student जिससे वो better communicator बनते हैं, better human being बनते हैं, and they the university or the faculty, I would say, bring out the best out of the students. This I can say for one of the faculties, very cheerful faculty named Miss Uruz, who is a very respectful and very likable personality, जो कि लट्रोब यूनिवर्सिटी में हेल्थ में फैकल्टी हैं, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में। शी टीचेस डिजिटल हेल्थ डिजिटाइजेशन। सो मेरी ये आई बीन फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू मीट हर इन पर्सन एंड देन टू सिट इन हर क्लास एज वेल। उनकी क्लास में बैठा किस तरह से वो स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करती हैं, सो दैट इज़ कमेंडेबल। आपसे मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि इस वीडियो को पूरा आप एंड तक देखें, बिकॉज उसमें हमने कुछ एक्सर्प्ट्स डाले हैं ड्यूरिंग माई विजिट टू लट्रोब यूनिवर्सिटी, बिकॉज आई मेट different faculties, but then meeting Uruz and other faculties of health digitization, it was very inspiring, very insightful, very informative. तो I went there, और फिर हमने एक डिस्कशन की विद द सीनियर फैकल्टीज, प्रोफेसर्स ऑफ दिस एकेडमिक एरिया। तो उसके बाद उरूज टुक मी टू हर क्लास, एंड ड्यूरिंग ऑन दी कॉरिडोर, वहाँ पे एक जो बोलते हैं ना कि वर्क इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग, वो एक लेक्चर चल रहा था। तो बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट रिकॉर्ड इट, बिकॉज वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री के जो इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स हैं वो आए हुए थे। दे व्हाट दे डू इज दे ब्रिंग आउट द रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ देयर इंडस्ट्री, जो फेस कर रहे हैं वो कंपनी में। वो फिर जो फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, मास्टर्स लेवल के या बैचलर के, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन किस तरह का प्रोग्राम है, किस फैकल्टी से रिलेटेड है, they put on those problems in front of them, and then they decide, they do brainstorming, they bring out with the solutions, and sometimes these solutions are actually implemented in those companies, in those industries, and then ये जो students they participate in these kind of brainstorming sessions, they are recognized by the industry and by the industry leaders, and later on they are accepted, absorbed in those companies as well. So it's a very very good exercise. आप देखोगे इसमें मैं students were discussing these things, but then somebody came that the CEO of the company would not like to be filmed, so please do not make video. तो मैंने वो फिर नहीं बनाई। उसके बाद I went into the class of Madam Uruz, उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका, we really had great fun in Latrobe, and उसके बाद उनके जो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स बाहर आए, जहाँ पे हमने कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स ली, और उनके we took their views.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं लट्रोब यूनिवर्सिटी मास्टर ऑफ डिजिटल हेल्थ के लेक्चर रूम में हूँ। जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ इट वर्क्स, सो जस्ट हैव अ लुक।
Come on, yes. Come on. is change? What did you read in LMS? Come on, everyone. Change. What is change? I don't know, where is it advertised? Is it on Western Health website? On LinkedIn? Okay, so on LinkedIn, do find for that internship opportunities from Western Health. I think if you're finishing up, you can do full time next year, right? Apply for that. But having said that, anyone looking for industry placement next year? Okay, Western Health have just given us 5 projects.
Our student community from Nepal and the students from other country as well. So you are now seeing the Latrobe building. This is our favorite part of the campus, and we actually feel like Latrobe has been doing the same to us.
So it's a very fun journey so far, studying digital health, especially coming from a clinical background and then bridging your clinical and digital skills together and then applying it to the real world. So it has been a very interesting journey so far.
Can't disagree with Milan. It was a great experience. I'm finishing my second year of Masters of Public Health and Digital Health. And yeah, it was very interesting to dive into this field from my clinical background as well. And so yeah, hopefully this experience will be very beneficial in future.
Well, was just kidding in the beginning. The subject has been really new to us, as well as it's very interesting. The lecturers, the professors, even the university is so welcoming. And that's all from my side. So, yeah. It's a great feeling studying here in the Latrobe.
What actual your professional background is?
So I am from Nepal, and it's a bachelor in public health. So in Latrobe, it's very welcoming environment. Everyone is so friendly, and it helped me a lot. Yeah, I'm doing masters in digital health. Hi, my name is Radhika Gautam. I'm from Nepal. I have completed my bachelor's of pharmacy from Nepal, and I'm here for the master's degree. I'm doing masters of digital health, and it is a great experience coming from different country and having here. So thank you, Rus, for that.
Any words for your professor?
She's very
Great, great,
very lovely and welcome.
awesome.
This is what I have been witnessing.
No, I just want to say thank you so much, Amit, and your Jupiter Consultancy. Is that right? Yeah. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. It's been fantastic to know what work you are doing. And the only thing I want to say is, Khushamdeed. Come and join us in our Latrobe Masters of Digital Health and explore the new future that's coming ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
We have
Thank
someone from Saudi Arabia here as
Oh,
well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Did you speak?
Yes.
You should say
My name is Raida. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm doing my master in administration, but I choose digital health because, as we know, all the future in digital health. And that's what I can say. Come and join us and be happy, be optimistic, and you're gonna love it. If you stay there, you will become like this, say up and down. If you join us, you will stand on your leg. It's okay. Thanks, everyone.
All right, guys. Thank you
She
so much.
wanted to say something.
Please go ahead.
Hello, I am Arpada from Nepal. I have completed my bachelor in nursing. My background is nursing, and I am doing master in digital health. It's a great experience. I was interested in like health in technology. It's very wonderful. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Here at Latrobe, when you're studying with us, you're not just studying what's out there in the research, but you also get to know what's going on in the industry. And along with studying new knowledge, what we make sure is that you have enough fun with us. So we have a Digital Health Society, which is a club owned by a student, run by a student. And next week, hopefully, they would be having a end of the term coffee catch up together. That's a platform for them to network and grow friendships together. Because at the end of the day, if you're not having fun in life, studying doesn't really help a lot, isn't it? So it's all about having fun, studying together, learning new knowledge, and finding the right balance of looking at industry opportunities. So come and join us. Thank you.
सो आई वुड सर्टनली रिकमेंड, अगर किसी ने हेल्थ के कोर्स में जाना है और डिजिटल हेल्थ इज़ द इन डिमांड फ्यूचरिस्टिक प्रोग्राम. इट हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड एंड वर्क कोर्स रेलिवेंस, कटिंग एज करिकुलम टेक्नोलॉजी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आने वाले टाइम में जो है वो इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू हम अपने आप को रेलिवेंट बना सकते हैं इन द इंडस्ट्री और इन द वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट. सो रिक्वेस्टिंग यू टू प्लीज़ watch this video and share your comments, and please do share this video, give your thumbs up so that it reaches the masses. Thank you so much.